Welcome to another SailfishOS app podcast. And do you want to search for photos or like to upload photos and share them with people? Then this is a very nice app. And you might have known or might have heard of Flickr, which is a photo citing app where you can share photos, where you can download photos, explore new stuff. And SailfishOS has a nice native application called Jockr that you can find on the warehouse. And it's a very nice application, and it allows you not to only log in to your Flickr account, but also and see all your photos, of course, see the various different albums, see the favorites and groups that you joined, for example, see the contacts that you have. But it also has an Explore Flickr thing that allows you to see a nice presentation of various different images that it basically searched for. You have the option to click on newly published or search for newly published, search by position. So if you want to have photos around a specific area, you can do so. You can click on the photo. You have the option to just simply view it in full screen, where you have the ability to zoom in, especially useful for images where you want to see the details of the image. As you can see, I can pretty close, very close up zoom in stuff, as you can see here, even if the image itself is not so great or so doesn't offer so much pixels to view stuff, so it might get a little pixely here, but I think this is a nice way to browse photos. You have the info button, which allows you to see some information about the image itself, just like, for example, the title, the author, the privacy information, just like, for example, if it's a public image or not, the owner information, and I think also the date, the comments and notes, the permissions for this image itself. Very nice indeed. You have the option to go and click on chat or comment option, where you have the option to see all the comments. As you can see, I cannot comment itself on the image itself, but I have the option to rate the image. Then instead of going back, I can flick up to go to the next image, and I can rate it if I want to. Rifle, nice little lady. Family photo, I think, and a nice city by night, Sydney in this case, as you can see here. So you can go through all these images and rate them, and also, of course, you have the option, if you go in here, you have the option to zoom and read stuff in more detail. Very nice, and this is basically the Flickr option. Of course, you also have the option in the menu to update the view and go to settings to see your various different settings, just like, for example, in this case only the disconnect button. So if you don't want to log in with your account or switch to another account, you can do so. You can view your own photos, as you can see here, and have the option to update them if you uploaded them. There's no upload feature in here for the Flickr option. There is another way to upload Flickr stuff. There is, I think, in Warehouse another application or another plugin which allows you to just let me search for Flickr. This button is not working. I'm not sure why. Flickr. No method. Let me go to the gallery app, and perhaps it created an entry. Jockr created an entry for example, this image, to upload them to. There's a Jockr entry, as you can see here. So the application itself has no option to directly upload to Flickr, but you have an option in the share menu of your SailfishOS to use Jockr to simply upload images to Flickr, which is a pretty nice thing that it has this integrated. So this is the nice little application called Jockr, and if you like this application, just give it a thumbs up and comment it. Perhaps if you want to add some features or want some features to be added here, And yeah, this is everything for this little demonstration. I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.